Anyone can make soap bars easily. 12-liter large capacity. 6 kg soap base can be melted in 48 mins. Once the temperature is reached, automatically jump to intermittent mode. Smooth pouring, hole in the bottom center of the pot. Can be sold as a gift set, handicraft. Make soaps with my 12 Qts Soap Melter. Open the lid and pour the soap base into the soap machine. Close the lid and turn on the power switch. Stir now and then for sooner and better melting. Pour some melted soap base to the mold. Spray the soap mold with alcohol. Let it set for hours or overnight, then cut into soap bars. Wrap them up, and send your love to your family and friends.